Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to replace the wiper blades on your Mustangs. This is a 2010 GT. Pretty simple process. So you've got a little clip thing right here. You can push. It's a little difficult to do with one hand. There we go, got it. And this thing just pops right off. So you just push this little piece right there and it flips off of this. Sorry for the camera angle there. Comes right off, and your new wiper blades, which you can look up via catalog and make sure you're getting the right ones, because just because it's the right length doesn't mean it's going to have the right adapter. So these are 22 inches for the driver's side, 20 inches over there. So let's take out the pieces from my new blades and make sure we can match up something that's going to work in here. So here is my old blade. This is the new one, and then this is all the adapter pieces that came with the new blade. And you see this one has the little thing that clips right over here, and then it's got these little tangs that get stuck, sorry, right in here. So the only one that looks similar to those to me is this one. So I'm gonna try and install that real quick and see if that's the one that we're gonna want. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip it onto here. There's a little hole right there. You can see where my thumb is, and it just connects to the little rod that's right in there. So I'm just going to take this adapter piece and see if how well it fits onto here. So it looks like that clips through there. Push in these tangs. Oh yeah, so that's good. So all I need to do now, I'll just take this back off and I will secure it to the wiper blade. We should be good to go. Put it back on there. All right, adapter is back on. So let's just push that through there. There we go. Squeeze in the little tangs there. Boom. This thing is done. Don't mind the packaging. So yeah, this one's good to go now. So we're just going to go repeat the same process over there. There we go. Well, as you see, this one is ready to be replaced. So let's just push down the little tab like we did last time. That just broke off. It's so brittle from the sun. I'll just pull this thing off. See if I can do it with one hand. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. All these other pieces just broke off of it. So let's get this other one out. We'll put that one on, and hopefully I'll be able to clean my windshield. The adapter is clipped onto the new blade, and let's see if we can pop this guy on here with one hand. Let's see. I'll try and do it so you can see. That's the whole point of this, right? All right, up in there. There we go. There's that. Now I need to squeeze the little tangs right here, get them to pop over the lip, and we should be good. There we go, clipped in. New wiper blades on both sides. Pretty simple process, but if you don't know how some of this stuff works, it could be slightly intimidating, but you can do it. Don't stress. That's what YouTube is made for, right? You guys have a good one.